shit, but she living in a kid room. Bitches wanna hate team up with a big room. I been making big moves. You been fucking mad dudes. Why you fucking mad, dude? Is it cause I'm making money like a dad do? Why you sucking random niggas like a vacuum?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my closure units. So first I want to clean my hairline off with some Sea Breeze, and that little white stuff in my hairline, that's glue because I just took off a frontal unit, but I wanted to get this video out to you guys, so here we go. I just wanted to point out that this is our light brown Swiss lace, and y'all see how thin that lace is? So you just want to pop that wig on and get it all set to your hairline and adjust it so that way it's comfortable. Then you just want to pull that lace back. First, I'm going to go in with Got To Be Glued gel. And I'm just going to put a thin layer of that in front of my hairline. I like to use this and the freeze spray, so that's what you're about to see. So after I get that gel on, I'm just going to use my blow dryer on the warm setting, and I'm going to let that get tacky. And then after that, you just want to put that lace down and use your comb to rake the lace into the gel so you get that melt down. So now I'm going to go in with my Got To Be freeze spray, and I don't know why I sprayed it on top of the lace. Spray it before you put the lace down. I mean, it really doesn't matter. It's personal preference. But if you do spray it before you put the lace down, make sure you go back with like a little bit of oil on your fingertips to get rid of that hard cast. So now I'm just going to go in and cut off those little side tabs. You want to get rid of those because they won't lay down all the way and it'll give you more of that frontal appearance. And then after that, I'm going to cut a little slit in the middle of my lace. And then I'm going to use my eyebrow razor to just cut that lace jagged. You want to kind of move your eyebrow razor up and down if you use that. If you use scissors, you want to like cut it jagged, like up and down, so that way it's not just a blunt straight line, because then it'll look wiggy. Y'all see how melted that is before I even cut the lace? I can't even see the lace. So anyway, right now, this is where I'm going to be cutting the lace at. And you can see I just cut in a jagged line pretty much right up on the hairline. If you cut a couple little hairs off, it's fine. It makes it look more natural if you kind of go with the dips and the grooves that you pluck. So here I'm just about to pluck the hairline a little bit more to give it a little bit more of a natural look. And then after that, I'm just gonna fix the hair some, do any necessary changes, fix the curls, and whatever else needs to be done. Alright, and this is the completed look. I love this wig. This wasn't even the color I was going for, but this is what we got. So this is what we're going to work with. This will be the Roxy unit on our site. And yeah, let me know down below what type of tutorials you guys want to see, what else you want to see on our channel. And that's it. Oh, lashes coming soon.